Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Alicia Zahwana Zifa and my student ID number is 202431125. Today, I'm going to explain how my student data input system works, including the HTML form, the PHP connection file, and how to use XMPP to run Apache and MySQL. First, I create an HTML form to collect student data. This form has several fields, name, nama, prodi, jenis kelamin, and alamat. Users fill in all the fields and then they click submit. After submitting, the data is sent to a PHP file called koneksi.php using the post method. The form is simple and easy to understand. Next, I will explain the PHP file. This file connects to the MySQL database. It uses localhost, username is root, and no password. Then, it selects the database name data_mhs. After that, the PHP file receives the data from the HTML form, such as name, nama, prodi, jenis kelamin, and alamat. These values are saved into PHP variables. Then the script runs and insert to query to save the data into the table, insert into data_mahasiswa, and this. If the query works, the data is saved in the database. If there is an error, it will show an error message. After finishing, the system redirects the user to data_mahasiswa.php to see the stored data. Okay, to run this project, I use XMPP. First, I open the XMPP control panel. I start Apache. Apache is used to run the PHP files inside the htdocs folder. Then, I click the admin button and the browser opens my local website where I can fill in the form. And then the second is I start my SQL after it is running. I click admin on my SQL. This opens PHP my admin. Here I can see my database data_mhs and my table. Every time I submit the form, the data appears inside the table in PHP my admin is. In conclusion, my system used HTML as the input form, PHP to process the data, and my SQL to store the data. XMPP helps me run Apache and my SQL easily on my computer. This simple project shows how web forms and database work together. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.